Hi everyone, it's Brendan. In this video, we're going to be talking about solving quadratic equations using the discriminant. We're going to describe what the discriminant is, as well as how you use it. In particular, we're going to discuss how you use it on the SAT and the types of problems that you're going to encounter that will need you to use the discriminant. So what is the discriminant? So let's just very quickly remind ourselves what a quadratic equation is. Quadratic equation is anything where we have ax squared plus bx plus c. And what the discriminant is it's this b squared minus 4ac value. Now, if that looks familiar, it's probably because it's part of the quadratic equation. It is the part that is inside the radical. And because it's inside of a radical, figuring out whether or not it's positive, negative, or zero can tell us certain things about how many solutions there are going to be to the quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So the reason b squared minus 4ac is important is because we cannot take the square root of a negative in algebra. We can do it with complex numbers, but as far as real solutions, we have none if there is a negative inside of the square root. And for that reason, if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, we're going to say that we have no real solutions. Now, in the case where b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, that's going to provide us with one real solution, because we can take the square root of 0. It's just that when we take the square root of 0, if we add 0 or subtract 0, key is this plus or minus right here, it doesn't matter. 4 plus 0 is the same as 4 minus 0. Negative 8 plus 0 is the same as negative 8 minus 0. And that's why we would get one real solution if the discriminant is equal to 0. Now, if b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then what we're going to have are two real solutions. And that's what the discriminant is. That's a kind of a quick introduction to it. In the next video, we're going to describe how you can use the discriminant, as well as present you with a couple of different examples that you might see on the SAT that would require you to know how to use the discriminant. Thanks for watching.